so we're gonna do a little unboxing of the Ridge Monkey, purchased from Hull Angling through eBay. Fantastic service, came really quick. So if you're gonna get one of these, that's the place to go. Super fast. Anyway, so let's get into it. Let's open it and have a look at it, and then we're gonna open it and use it. We're gonna make pizzas, hopefully.
Yum yum.
Get it out. Comes well packaged. It's not bad, double-sided, so you can flip it over as you're cooking, apparently, so it says on YouTube. We have actually used it this morning. We made some toast. Took 8 slices to get it right. Once you get the timing right, it's good. But the beauty about this is it keeps things clean. It comes with this little cute condiment set. Is that right? Yeah. Little shovel and plastic spoon. I think that's geared up for like the carp fishermen who use it. Who predominantly made for them. But yeah, we won't be using that a bit. So yeah, we're gonna give it a whirl. It's well built. This is the extra large version, even though it's still kind of small. It'll do for what we need, for what we're going to use it for, which will be little pizzas, toast, fish, bit of grilled chicken in there,
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. We've got some garlic bread slices. So yeah, it's all right. Yeah. So
Don't
we'll get
trap your finger in it.
Yeah, we'll prep the food, and we'll come back when it's cooking. So I've just done one batch of garlic bread in the Ridge Monkey, and it's turned out really good. Nice, crisp and even, yeah. Okay, I won't lie to you, I burnt it a little bit, but come on. It still tastes good. It's alright. We're getting used to it, We'll fine tune that. But we've got 3 more on. Flip it over, lift it up, and they're burnt. No, they're not burnt. They're just well done. Turn it over. And away you go. It's that easy.
What's
they
next?
Cook really quick. Well, you've got the pizza base ready. Ready-made fresh pizza base. We're going to put that. We're going to put some cheese in. What have we got? Cheese. Pepperoni.
Ham and mushroom.
Ham and mushroom. We're going to do a couple of pizzas and see how they turn out. But I'll just have a little sip of my wine and carry on burning the garlic bread.
Yum.
Right, so we've just knocked up pepperoni cheese pizza on a fresh base of just roll pizza base. So let's put it on and give it a test, see if it works. Close it up, low heat. Yeah, we'll come back when it's done. See you in a minute.
Cool.
So it sounds as if it's about done. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Ooh.
Oh.
Nice. Topping's all done. Slid off a bit there. Check the base underneath, see what it's like. Yeah. Happy days.
Oh, bang it on here. A little Ridge Monkey pizza.
A little square pizza cooked in what? How long did that take? 2 or 3 minutes?
Yeah, if that.
I like it. £21 Hull Angling eBay. Yeah, and we're not affiliated with Hull Angling whatsoever. We live nowhere near Hull. We just bought it on eBay and it came from Hull Angling. But yeah, right. Enjoy, Trace, and I'll knock another one up.
Oh.
So taste test, yeah.
Okay, I'll be brutally honest as you are with my cooking.
Go on then. Let's see what it's like. 10 being amazing and 1 being rubbish.
Hot. I'll give you a firm 8.
8? Is that it?
Well, be be really nice. I'll give you a 9.
I better do another one, aren't I, and see if we can up my score. I was looking for a 10, to be honest with you.
Yeah, you know, keep you on your toes.
We'll try again. So, day 2, we ended up staying overnight on the Walnut Sky top car park next to side of Coniston Old Man, which is over there, behind that bridge over there. There's the van. Stunning location, nice and toasty last night in van. We're just going to take the dog for a little walk up the path, nothing major yet.
Yeah.
And then head home,
Head back home.
unload, get ready for work tomorrow, fortunately. Yeah, it's been a great weekend again, as always. We will be back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.